Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to how to make your first YouTube video for when you're doing your presentation, okay? So, I know things are a little weird when you first start doing this, but first thing I want to show you how to do is how to download Bandicam, and that's what I'm recording on right now. So, and then I'll give you a full tutorial so you guys don't get lost. So, let me minimize this and bring this up. Okay, so this is Bandicam. Okay, so when you go to bandicam.com and you click on this, is what you'll first see, and then you click on downloads. You hit downloads, and then Bandicam gives you two options when you download it. If you buy the version that is fully registered, then you'll be able to do 24 hours worth of recording. If you do it, it's just 10 minutes. Okay, so some of you might need to do more than one file if you guys are being very, very lengthy. Some of your presentations were extremely long. That is okay. Okay, the idea is we want to get into the habit of talking and not feeling rushed, and I don't want you to feel rushed. If you can get it in under 10 minutes, great, but if not, try to do it in 2 takes and two videos back to back. Okay, so now once you download it and you pull it up, this is what you will see. Okay, it looks like this. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to show you kind of how this works. Okay, so let me minimize this, and what I'll do is I will actually try to bring up one of your PowerPoint presentations to kind of give you a demo of how this should look to some extent. I got a lot of stuff on my screen. Where is it at? Alright, so let me bring up somebody that is... Alright, let's bring up this group's. Okay, so if we bring up this group's PowerPoint presentation, what you will see is, whenever it come up, I'm running 2 screens, guys, and the one I'm having recorded is not the one that it's coming up on. So just wait, and then I'll drag it on. So this is what you see. While we're waiting on that to pull out, let me give you a demo of how this looks. This is where you'll actually select your windows, whether you want to have it. So I'm running 2 screens. If I don't know if you see my screen being highlighted right now. And then this is my other screen that I have going. So you can select which screen you want. You can select a particular triangle or rectangle on the screen. Of course, I can't do it now because I'm using it to record. This button is probably the most interesting out of everything. This is called the cursor effect button. So I'm going to show you how to access that. You go to settings, and this is where you'll select your sound. Make sure you record your sound and select the device you're going to use it on, whether it's the actual laptop that you're using, or if it is going to be a headset like I'm using my headset at the house. So for you video gamers out there, if you got software, you got your own headset, and you just want to like pause it and swap it in between your teammates, that sounds like a great idea. So that's the first thing. Second thing, mouse. Okay, so if you go to mouse, okay, so if you deselect these, what you'll notice is that you could select whether or not the screen will show your mouse cursor. So right now you probably don't see it, or you might see it. I'm not for sure because I'm seeing it. But if you do this, then for sure you'll see my mouse cursor. And then if you add this, it'll highlight whatever you pass the mouse over. And if you add this, then every time you click the mouse, it'll do a little impact click on what's going on. It's pretty nice when you see it. Okay, so it's something very, very good to add to your presentation, especially when you want to draw emphasis to certain things, right? So it is pretty nice. Now, once you start recording like I'm recording right now, let's say you're looking at someone's presentation. So let me minimize this, and then let me bring out this guy's presentation, right? And then let me bring presentation mode on. Oops, what am I doing? And slideshow. So let's say you brought on presentation mode. I want to do slideshow, current slide, but I don't want to use my other screen. So let's do this. I'm going to disconnect my other screen real quick.